Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome to another Toy Tractor Tuesday. As you guys may have heard from the last week's video, that this weekend was the Marshall County FFA Toy Show and Ag Expo. As you see there, it's the 13th annual. And I was able to pick up one of their show tractors this year, as you can see here. Case IH 950 grinder mixer, 1/16 scale by SpecCast. Now, the night before the show, actually, we was able to get in and set up our booth, and I asked the organizer, Chad Berger, if he had any extras left over, and they did not. The reason I ended up with this is after the toy show at 3 p.m., they did a live auction, and this one was donated to the auction. Also had a t-shirt by Indiana Cornhuskers, and someone personalized a FFA mug. It was all on top, and I was the winning bidder of the lot and was able to bring one home. So very highly detailed, which all SpecCast stuff is always nicely detailed. As you can see right there, the logo, one of 135 that they did with the FFA on it. Now, SpecCast does have regular ones out as well without being FFA, Marshall County Toy Show. And you do see them floating around at toy shows. I actually do have another one of these coming, and hopefully it's here by the weekend, because one of them will be going with me to this weekend's toy show, and this weekend is the Lafayette Toy Show at Tippecanoe County Fairgrounds, which is where I'll be setting up this weekend. I'll be set up there only Saturday from 8 till 3. And then Sunday I will be walking around the show, seeing what kind of items we can drag home. So yes, as you can see, it even has the PTO shaft. If you look over there, the jack. Very nicely detailed piece by SpecCast. Some of you may not know this. SpecCast no longer can produce John Deere toys, as John Deere has not gave SpecCast a license to do so. So that is one downfall now of SpecCast. Will not be producing any John Deere toys, but they still have Case IH and a lot of others. Nice box. Right there's a picture on the side, and that's right there an official licensed replica. On the back side here gives a little history of SpecCast. And this is part of their classic series. I do have a few other SpecCast items in my collection, but mostly Ertl or Joe Ertl scale model pieces. Nothing against SpecCast, it's just how it has went over the years. And then a friend of mine did send me home with a couple of the Bush Light combines. He gave me 2 John Deeres and 3 Case IH Bush Light Apple combines. They will be at my booth Saturday and available for pickup. And I'm hoping to have back a 1/32 scale John Deere S760 that is going to be done up in the ear corn Bush Light with the American flag on top of the grain bin. So that's all I have this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more Toy Tractor Tuesdays to come. Hope you guys have a great week and hope to see you at Lafayette for the Lafayette Toy Show.